Oh, okay. Now I really don't have to worry. Oh, no way! I'm riding with 372 volt Surons, the fastest bikes out in nature right now. Whoa. It feels so good. Whoa. I don't like the throttle on this. With some more time, I'm sure I could get it, but just being able to zip through traffic and not be worried about getting in trouble is a luxury. And on a budget, and to have fun. If all your friends have Surons and they're all upgraded Surons and you can't afford an $8,000 upgraded Suron, build out one of these Amazon sleeper bikes and you're not getting in trouble. Come on. All right.